Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to present to you this look. I don't know, kind of random, but you know, I'm just trying to get myself out of a funk. And I'm so glad that I did this because I actually love it so much. Also, I forgot to mention the lashes. These are from my brand. It's coming very soon. You can follow it, Denim the Label. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Just because of quarantine right now and like the coronavirus, it's kind of put on pause, but I'm doing my best to get, you know, to launch this brand. So, also, don't forget to like this video. It really helps me a lot. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And if this is your first time seeing me, what's up? Hello. Leave a comment down below. And also show me guys, like show me on Instagram that you're watching my video. I love when you guys do that. That's so like cute to me. So yeah, let's just get right to the video though.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. All my raps on the facts that they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. I got a little mix with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the... When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay hoes with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of pay. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mom, so I'm always good where I'm at.
Okay, so I'm gonna go for a Y2K look. I did my hair differently. I'm still learning how to do hair, so whatever. I'm still gonna fix it too. Please don't say anything about it in the comments. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows first, and then I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette in this, like, it's like a brown shade. It's literally almost non-existent. I'm gonna try to do a different look today. Then I'm taking my NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and this one's in Almond. I'm just gonna take a small flat brush, and then we're going to conceal my brows. I don't know about anyone else, but I've been feeling really weird. I like can't figure out like what to do in a day. Like I don't have a schedule, and it's kind of messing me up. And like since I have school online, I can't differentiate like when I should work and when I should like chill out. So then I like will be tired for a period of time where I'm like, I know I should be working, and then I'll feel stressed out because I'm not working. This like quarantine stuff has like made me stress more. I stress about anything, like anything that I could worry about, it just I do. Okay, I'm gonna take this palette by Folklore, and this is what it looks like. This shade right here on the inside, we're gonna take that color and we're gonna see. Don't really know what I'm doing yet, but I'm trying to do it for a Y2K look today. Kind of stressed out, always stressed out, but this is stressing me out more because, you know, I had things in the works and plans, and now I'm like, should I even do what I want to do because everyone is at home? And I also want to be considerate, like, I don't know, it's just so super hard now. Super hard to like actually do what I want to do. And one of my classes I'm failing, so that's really stressing me out. So I'm trying to like not fail it. But also people, like our school hasn't given us our tuition back, like a tuition refund for having online classes. I'm trying to figure out when they're going to do that because they already tried to bill me for my next school year, but they're not trying to give me my tuition. So I don't get it. Like they need to figure that out because they want their tuition on time, but now they were online and they need to give us money back, then and now it's a problem. Now they can't figure it out. Okay, now I'm on my ColourPop California Love palette. I'm gonna take this shade and probably mix it in with this shade. I don't know, I'm just experimenting. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Pack this one out of corner. I don't know, I think everyone is feeling down right now and it's so weird. I don't know what to do, like it's kind of weird. I'm here all alone. I'm here in LA, so I just be trying to stay busy, but then I always feel like I have something to do. I feel like I'm putting way more pressure on myself because now I have to stay home. So I'm like, I need to create content, but I also forget that I have school. Like I really legit have a whole school. I have college. I'm gonna take this peach shade right there and I'm gonna pack this on my lid. I'm just gonna do something random and I'm gonna put this shade in my inner corner. And I'm wetting my brush for this. This palette is so cute. This is the ColourPop Sailor Moon palette, lilac shade. So I'm gonna put that lilac shade like the inner corner. I just kind of played with a lot of colors. This color in my inner corner and that color like on like I put this color on like the outer part to blend it in together. I really don't know if I like this look, but I'm just gonna keep going with it. Okay, I'm gonna pack on a burgundy shade and I'm gonna like make it my eyeliner. And just wanna see how this goes. I'm honestly just playing around because I never do color and you guys are always saying I'm doing the same look, so I'm trying to do something different. And right now I'm not liking it so much, so. Pop some of that white shade in here into my inner corner. I don't know if I like this, guys. I'm gonna keep going. I feel like a little kid. Like, okay, so I'm taking my Milk Makeup Hydrate Primer. I'm gonna take some in my hand. Apply this all over my face. And then I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Cocoa, my Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just gonna tap this all over my skin. Taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and this one's in Hazelnut. I'm gonna conceal my face. I'm gonna also move into more like fashion videos. Hopefully y'all don't mind, because a lot of people ask me for fashion, especially on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I'm taking this this L'Oreal concealer. I'm gonna put like a little bit. And I'm just gonna blend this out. This brush is from Folklore. It's a really good brush. Doesn't have a number or anything, but I really love it. Taking my Fenty Beauty powder and I'm gonna just dab this. All the areas I just put concealer basically. I wonder what you guys are gonna do. If any of you guys are in college, are you guys next semester? Like I know a lot of people are going to, they said like this continues on into the fall, that they're just gonna take a gap year, which makes sense because like why would you pay to have like online classes when before online classes were like they were saying like it's not the same, it's like not deemed the same, like, you know. And like our college used to say like we can't, not used to, still says that we can't take online classes like at other community colleges to like for our same class, but now our class is online. Weird. I don't think people like that. And people have like literally given up on this whole semester too, because it's just not fair. And I feel like I don't know why they can't just establish like a universal pass for everybody like who's in school, because it's just not fair. We did not sign up for this, and you know we're trying to do our best, but everyone can't learn the same, and people need like some people need like to be physically there to learn the material. And even though like they put a pass or no pass, it should be like everybody should just pass, because you know this low-key just really difficult. I haven't used a sponge in a long time to apply this, and I feel like it looks a mess. Like my makeup today is just not turning out right because I'm trying to try something new and it's like not liking it at all. I'm just I'm gonna stick to what I know. Taking my Black Radiance bronzer, and this one's in Ebony. I'm just gonna contour my face. It all look crazy right now. I'm gonna fix it. Hopefully everything comes together in this video because I don't really have much faith right now. I'm gonna go for like a Y2K vibe. And yeah, like everyone likes this hair on me, so I'm like trying to do something different with it. Just wanna like it. I'm over here stressing out. Like I don't know if you guys can tell. It's been raining. Like the rain just makes me sad and not want to do anything either. I'm trying to remain positive. I literally am. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mommy. I'm gonna smudge this on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a burgundy shade and the Jacqueline palette, and I'm going to bring it all the way in, kind of covering up what I previously did with the inner corner. I'm gonna take this shade in the Sailor Moon palette. I'm just all over the place. This is a mess. Like, oh. And I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. This right here is my This is way prettier. Whoa. Whoa. Now this is so cute. Okay, so I want to take the Mocha Mommy and I'm going to bronze my face. And I want to draw freckles, so I'm going to use my Stila palette and just like a small little brush and then like just dot it. I've been breaking out recently, I don't know why. Hopefully this is a distraction. Pat them in with the bronzer. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Chrome highlighter. This one's in Molten Gold and I'm just gonna apply just a little bit. I'm gonna spray my face with the Maybelline spray. I'm just gonna tap it in. Real Technique sponge. Now I'm gonna do the lips. So I'm gonna like outline it. Okay, I'm gonna take this Black Radiance in Sexy Siren liquid lip. I'm gonna outline my lips with the Stila. The Stila like brown color. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.